everybody, and welcome to the handbell tutorial for the 2020 Christmas carol singing Dobcroft Road extravaganza. Bertie's just joining in the background. I'm sorry I've got the oven in the background, but I'm just cooking dinner, but I thought I'd get this done. The girls were going to help me, obviously. That didn't quite happen. So we're going to start with Jingle Bells, and what we're going to do is, first off, we're going to just clap in time to when you need to actually do the handbells, because if you can get the physical action going with singing, then it will make it much easier. Okay, so our starting note for Jingle Bells is our yellow one. There we go, so we're going to press that. Now with these handbells, you can press them on the top, or you can give them a little ring. Okay, and that's our starting note, and we're just going to clap every time we're going to do a chord. So it goes, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hooray! Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Dashing through the snow on a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. Oh, what fun it is to sing a sleigh bell song tonight. Oh, okay, you get the idea. And you can also tell I don't know the lyrics very well for that end bit, so I've got it up on my phone. You've all been sent an electronic PDF. Right, what we're going to do now is we're going to practice each of the parts in turn. So I'm going to put these bells out of the way. We're going to do the bottom part. So the bottom part should be operated by one person. They're either going to have a red bell or an orange bell. Okay, and they need to look at the blobs as we go along and play their part. So everybody else can sing. That's our starting note. Off we go. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. Oh, the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. Oh, what fun it is to sing our sleigh bell song tonight. Hey! And I think I got the last bit wrong just because I hadn't got it in my screenshot. It goes red, orange, orange, red at the end. Sorry. There we go. I just need to get my technology sorted. Okay, so that was the bottom part. Middle parts. Now, when you're doing the parts on their own, they can sound a bit weird with the singing. So just don't be put off by that. It will sound better when all three parts are together. So middle person has got a yellow and a green. Okay, and the yellow is the starting note. So we're going to go jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride on a one-horse open sleigh. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride on a one-horse open sleigh. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. Oh, the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What a fun it laugh and sing our sleigh bell song tonight. Oh, okay. And then we go back to the beginning. So that's and then the top part has got a light blue and a dark blue. Now, if you print out the parts, on my printer, the light blue and the dark blue came out almost the same colour. Most of the ones you're going to be using are the light blues, and then occasionally use the dark blue. It tends to come in the chord when you've got the red, the green, and the dark blue. Okay. So last time through, this is the top part. That's our starting note. Off we go. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is, laugh and sing our sleigh bell song tonight. I'm not sure I've got the lyrics to that last bit right, but we can fudge it. It's fine. Okay, so everybody's practiced their parts individually. Now let's put them together. So I'm going to place them so that I can play all three at once, should I need to. So this is the chord that you will see most often. That's our C, E, G. Okay, because all of these pieces that I've written are in C major. So that's the one that you'll be using most often. And then the one that also comes in a lot of the time is when, let's move these across so that we've got them in shot, is the orange, the green, and the light blue. Okay, and that tends to lead into this one. Okay, and then an extra one is where you've got the green, the dark blue, and the red. Okay, so you have this one. That's the one most of the time. This one is the next most often. And then this is the one that you'll also have. Okay, so it's any combination of those three chords. But you don't have to worry about that because you're just playing your one part. And if you can keep it steady, then and just read your line, don't worry about what anybody else is doing. And if you can sing at the same time, that's an extra bonus, but don't worry if you can't. Okay, so that's our starting note. Off we go, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hooray, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. Oh, the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. Oh, what fun it is to sing a sleigh bell song tonight. Hey! And then we go back to the beginning and do Jingle Bells all the way through up until the dashing bit. Okay, well done. I'll see you at the weekend.